The most dangerous oceans, what lies beneath the waves? Ever felt a shiver down your spine just thinking about the vast, unexplored depths of the ocean? Beneath the shimmering surface lies a world of hidden dangers, unpredictable forces, and breathtaking beauty. Today, we're diving deep into the most treacherous oceans on Earth, uncovering the secrets that make them so perilous. Imagine a bustling aquatic highway, choked with colossal cargo ships, constantly dodging treacherous storms. This is the South China Sea, a vital trade route and a hotbed of maritime hazards. The sheer volume of shipping traffic creates a constant risk of collisions. Giant vessels, racing against deadlines, navigate narrow straits, increasing the potential for disaster. Typhoons, born from the warm waters, frequently batter the region with ferocious winds and torrential rain. These powerful storms can cripple even the largest ships, leaving them vulnerable to the unforgiving sea. While less prevalent than in the past, piracy remains a threat in certain areas of the South China Sea. Armed groups prey on unsuspecting vessels, adding another layer of danger to this already risky waterway. Political tensions simmer beneath the surface, further complicating navigation and potentially hindering rescue efforts. Disputed islands and territorial claims create a volatile environment for seafarers. Consider the tale of the MV Bulk Jupiter, a bulk carrier that tragically sank in 2015, claiming the lives of all but one of its crew. The South China Sea's unpredictable nature claimed another victim. The North Atlantic, a realm of icy giants and monstrous waves, has captured the imagination for centuries. From the tragic sinking of the Titanic to the enduring tales of rogue waves, this ocean is steeped in both history and peril. Rogue waves, towering walls of water that appear seemingly out of nowhere, pose a significant threat to ships of all sizes. These unpredictable behemoths can overwhelm even the most seaworthy vessels. The haunting memory of the Titanic serves as a stark reminder of the dangers lurking beneath the surface. Icebergs, drifting southward from the Arctic, remain a constant threat to navigation. Extreme weather conditions, including gale-force winds, freezing temperatures, and dense fog, further complicate navigation in the North Atlantic. These harsh elements can quickly turn a routine voyage into a desperate struggle for survival. The fishing industry in the North Atlantic is one of the most dangerous professions in the world. Fishermen brave treacherous conditions to harvest the bounty of the sea, often facing perilous weather and equipment malfunctions. The Labrador Current, a frigid river of water flowing south from the Arctic, carries icebergs and contributes to the region's harsh climate. This icy current adds another layer of complexity to navigating the North Atlantic. Venture into the Arctic Ocean, a realm of breathtaking beauty and unforgiving conditions. Here, the dangers are as stark and unforgiving as the landscape itself. The extreme cold poses a constant threat of hypothermia, even with modern protective gear. Survival in these frigid waters demands meticulous preparation and unwavering vigilance. Sea ice, constantly shifting and cracking, creates an unpredictable and treacherous environment. Navigating through this frozen maze requires specialized skills and equipment. The remoteness of the Arctic Ocean makes rescue operations incredibly challenging. Help can be hours, if not days, away, leaving those in distress vulnerable to the elements. Climate change is rapidly transforming the Arctic, making it more accessible but also less predictable. Melting ice creates new shipping routes but also destabilizes the ice pack, increasing the risk of accidents. Journey to the Indian Ocean, a region of vibrant marine life and devastating natural disasters. Here, the rhythm of the monsoons dictates life and death, and the threat of tsunamis looms large. The powerful monsoon seasons bring torrential rains, violent winds, and treacherous currents. These seasonal shifts can disrupt shipping lanes and create hazardous conditions for coastal communities. The devastating tsunami of 2004 serves as a chilling reminder of the Indian Ocean's potential for destruction. Coastal communities remain vulnerable to future tsunamis, highlighting the need for effective early warning systems. Dangerous marine life, including sharks, sea snakes, and venomous jellyfish, pose a threat to swimmers and divers. Respect for these creatures and awareness of their habitats are crucial for safety. Piracy remains a concern in certain regions of the Indian Ocean, particularly in the Gulf of Aden. Armed groups prey on commercial vessels, disrupting trade and endangering seafarers. We've journeyed through some of the most dangerous oceans on Earth, witnessing the forces that make them so perilous. It's important to acknowledge that the term most dangerous is subjective and depends on various factors. Human activity plays a significant role in ocean safety. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change all contribute to the degradation of marine environments and increase the risks faced by those who venture onto the sea. The ocean is a powerful and awe-inspiring force of nature. It demands our respect, our understanding, and our commitment to its preservation. Ready to make a difference? Learn more about ocean conservation efforts, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's work together to protect these vital ecosystems and ensure the safety of those who navigate them. Your support helps us continue to bring you these important stories. Click the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive.